So hello everyone and welcome to the Comfortable Car Club. My name is Alexander and this is the comfortable car in question, which today is doubling as a studio because I've got nowhere else to go. But the comfortable car is a Citroen C5X7 Tourer, the important part being the Tourer. It's an estate. Estates have big boots and big boots need big boot openings. Now for some reason car makers got into their heads that people want motorised boot lids, and in all honesty I think they do because it's lazy. But I had one on this car. It was motorised but I never liked it. So finally when it broke, well, it didn't break, it started to work intermittently, I decided to replace those motorised boot struts with regular ones. But it didn't go according to plan. Here is one of the struts. Have a look at them, see how they go on first thing of all. I'm just going to show one side because obviously if it goes well, I'll do both. There. They don't have any instructions. Are these ready just to go on as is, and then you exert force and they will do what they're supposed to do? That did not go well. And also I forgot something, I've got to remove this. So, I've got these wires here, and they go in, and it's those cables that have got to come out on each side. They've been zip tied into place, cable tied if you prefer, by me. So I think it's just threading them out and I'll be fine. Flip this up. Better. Broke. It's not possible, is it? See? I should have undone some screws. I feel very stupid now. Even though I've made a complete hash of it, at least you know what not to do, and as I always say, I cock up so you don't have to. I'm going to do the same on the other side. So there you have it. This fix is sort of done, and this is broken, so I'm thinking about that. This keeps coming off. So I've already ordered some more clips. This has been an absolute disaster. And it was me. I'm the idiot. I made a video where I showed how to remove those screws, and then I didn't follow my own video. Either way, it's done. We've got these things in place already, and it's easy. You saw how I removed it. You can use a soft hammer, where you can use what I did, something to shield the paint, screwdriver, crowbar if you wish, and then just replace it. I prefer these struts in all honesty, but this ruins everything. And that's it for this video. Hopefully it was useful. If you didn't enjoy it, don't worry, I didn't either. And you know, just like, subscribe and share if you want to see me screw up more in the future. Thanks for watching, and on screen now some other videos, including the one where I do this properly. Yeah, it serves me right. Like, subscribe and share. Click on the stuff on screen, please. Merch, support, etc. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.